Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And as we just passed the 7th year of Windows 10, I'm going to actually take a look at some of the things that worked and didn't work, and some of the things that didn't work, but are still things that Microsoft wants to do. And we're going to start with the famous Windows as a Service. So Windows 10 introduced this notion to us that maybe we could update Windows continuously with several updates every year, and add features and add new features that new technologies bring to us. And why not? Let's move on and have this perpetual Windows 10 update and make it better all the time. We know that from the past already, Windows Update, and that's been since the very long days of, even Windows 3.1. Windows updates have never been really great. Now, up to Windows 95, updates were mostly done by getting the new version and installing it because the internet wasn't really a thing much. But starting with Windows 95 at some point, but mostly Windows 98 and forward, that's where the notion of, hey, getting Windows updates through the internet is an idea. And over the years, what we noticed is that, Windows updates are dreadfully complicated and break things regularly. And people, and still today, people have a fear of Windows updates, which is something that should not be. And they decided, even though the track record is not that great, well, let's do more updates. And that was a really bad idea. So, of course, Windows went through several versions as they were moving on. So it started with version 1507, then there was a version 1511, and then the next year, they were supposed to have 2 updates in 2016. They had only one, which they called the anniversary update. And then they came back to 2 updates in 2017 and so on. But they quickly noticed that, first of all, they couldn't keep the pace of the Windows updates. It was impossible to update Windows that much, even for Microsoft. And several of them had flaws that people weren't very happy with. So this became obvious that it was a non-starter. And they had the crazy notion that they could do Windows updates up to 3 times a year. And that was a nonsense in a way, because look at everybody else. Apple, even, Android, whatever version you have, they're pretty much at one major update a year. That's it. So I don't know who thought that more than one was a great idea for Windows, but it wasn't, obviously. And then they kind of slowed down and became back to 1 update a year. And now it's even worse. That update, like the one that I have here, which is bringing us to 22H2, is not even... It's not even a feature update. It's just a little cumulative update that patches a number, and that's it. So the fact that it quieted down is a good idea. But the problem is that notion of Windows as a service is not over. And it's not over for Windows 11. Windows 11 is continuing that nonsense of Windows as a service. And we're moving from Windows 11 first version to Windows 11 22H2 coming this fall. And we'll have updates next year. It's not going to be a yearly update. Now there's that crazy notion of let's get cumulative updates regularly to Windows 11 with new features, which kind of makes you think, wow, are we going back to the Windows 10 days of unsustainable updates and breaking Windows? I have a hard time understanding that they can't see that it is not what people want. It's even worse on business. They don't want to have nothing to do with that. So Windows as a service is unfortunately something that was not possible to sustain. Is a big mistake, I think, for Microsoft. And unfortunately, they're continuing that with Windows 11. Let's hope that somebody puts some sense at Microsoft and make them understand what the hell you're doing. So this is one of the first big mistakes I think that Windows 10 introduced to us. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.